Well, my bracelet arrived today, and I think I'm pretty happy with it. I used to have a love bracelet. I got rid of it. I don't want another love bracelet. They have bad memories, so I wanted something similar. So I decided to check out Verlas. They had a wonderful Black Friday sale, so I decided to go for it. I got mine in 14 karat gold. You can get white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. You have your choice of 14 or 18 karat, and it comes in a standard size of 7 inches, which is what I got, but they'll customize to whatever size you want. You just gotta let them know before you order. Here is a clasp. I'm putting it on my right wrist, which is a little smaller. And there it is. This is the 5mm width. It's a little wider than the small Love and a little more narrow than the regular Love. I got it in 14 karat gold. It goes better with my complexion, and I'll do a more in-depth review once I've had it for a little bit of time. But this is Verlas. Little known company. I found it through somebody else on YouTube, and so far so good. I'm pretty pleased with it. This is 7 inches. I'm 6.5 here. 6.25 here, 6.5 here. This is a 7 inch. So it goes over my wrist bone. And that's it, folks. That's Verlas. I will do a more detailed review later. Thank you for watching.